Hi everyone, it's Mr. Dennett here from Direct Sport, and in this video we're going to be working on the horizon throwing and catching home challenge. And as you can see, I'm in my virtual room, and all you need is a tennis ball, small ball, or if you haven't got them, maybe a pair of rolled up socks. Because what we're going to do, and all we need is a living room wall, a wall or a door. Anything that basically you can aim at. So what we're going to do to start off with, we're going to practice our underarm throwing technique. So what I want you to do is get on your knees, face the wall or door. All you're going to do, underarm, focus on your arm technique, try and roll the ball at your target and have it roll back. As I said, if you haven't got a ball, you can use a pair of rolled up socks. Just means you have to go get them. And we're just aiming to keep it along the floor, okay? Once you begin to do that, we need to then, what I want you to do is go onto one knee. So if you're right-handed, I want your right knee to remain on the floor and to go on your left foot, okay? And we're still doing the same technique, swinging our arm and releasing the ball while it's close to the floor so it rolls across. As you improve at that, we're then going to look to improve into a standing position and do that exact same technique. As I said, you can use different sized balls. So you even use a bigger one. As you can see, we've got a minion ball here. And we're just practicing that technique. So we're practicing like a bowling technique. Opposite leg forward to your hand. So as I said, left foot forward if you're right-handed. Right foot forward if you're left-handed. So there's your natural progression as well, guys. Try both hands. Right, I think it's your turn, guys. Good luck.